In this video, we will discuss how to create a new blog in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over onto your home page. Once you're in there, just click on content, and in here you can find blogs. So make sure to click on blog right here in order to create it. Once you're in there, you can see in here this particular page. So for this, you can start with AI or you can start creating blogs from scratch. So you have those two options right there. Do take note that starting with AI requires another subscription. So onto this part, you just need to actually add right here your details such as your actual blog post title. You can also add right here the actual options directly. Enter right your blog post title, your date. You can also add text, share this post, and links. So for example, let's input right here fruits and vegetables. Then input right here your date, add logos, menus, and also click in here to add text. So for this, you can just type right here your actual options. And once you're done with this, just head over and save this option. Click onto this part and then head over and then publish this right here. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you on my next video.